Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is it is Thursday, the 23rd of July. I just got home from Albany. I actually had to go down pretty early this morning to do some stuff for my job. I had to meet with a client. I also had to bring my son because my husband is working, had to go to work actually unexpectedly just for a few hours outside the home. So it's been kind of a crazy day. So I literally just walked in the door. I'm going to show you this haul, and then I'm going to show you my meal plan, which involves a lot of the things in this haul for next week. And I'm going to edit this video and try to get it up as soon as possible. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, Trader Joe's, $107. I honestly could have gotten so much more, but my son was with me and he was just not having it. After a while, he was just ready to go. He was hungry for lunch. It's very humid today. It's kind of been a day, guys. I'm sure you all had one of those days where you're just like, is today over yet? But anyways, $107. There were a few things I specifically wanted that I wasn't able to get, which I'll talk about momentarily. Also, earlier this week, I think Monday, I went to Aldi and grabbed a few things. So this is just the rest of the stuff that I purchased that I needed. So I got these sliced Baby Bella mushrooms. I use these for all different things, sauteing them up as sides, throwing them on salads. I've never tried the Trader Joe's focaccia bread. This one is, not this one at least. This is roasted tomato and Parmesan. I don't know, it just looks really good. I feel like you could throw this on the grill and it would be really good and kind of crisp up really nice. So I'll probably do this with like a pasta and a salad kind of a night. Trying this watermelon cucumber cooler. I've never tried this before. I think I've seen it, but I really like that combination. It sounds really refreshing, like over a nice tall glass of ice. One of my favorites, I've discovered this a couple years ago. It's the sweet potato gnocchi with butter and sage. Really good. Good as a side and also good as a meal, but it's very large. So if you're going to have it as a meal with nothing else, I would definitely you'd definitely probably want to split it between two people because it's a good sized portion, which is why it's good as a side dish, you know, split amongst people. I got the baby arugula spinach lettuce mix. This is the one I usually get, or I just get straight arugula. I just like arugula. It has that nice peppery flavor. I got a zucchini and a yellow squash. These are like beautiful. I dropped this one, but they were beautiful. They're really nice looking. 2 red peppers. They were 89 cents a piece, I believe. Some bananas. My son actually ate a banana on the way home. Trader Joe's is just shy of an hour away from us. And actually today was my first time going there in like 6 months at least. So it's been a while. I'm also trying, never tried these. They are the Kung Pao chicken mochi balls. So it says spicy chicken in a crisp, chewy mochi rice wrapper. I don't know, just something about it sounded really good. I also got the whole milk yogurt pouches in the strawberry, beet, and berry flavor for Grady. Some of their cage-free, fresh, hard-cooked peeled eggs. I actually make hard-boiled eggs all the time, usually like every week or every other week. But I just grabbed them really quick to have to use possibly tonight, just to slice up and maybe throw on a salad since I think we're grilling tonight. I also got eggs because we go through about a dozen eggs a week. I also got these little salami sticks. This is a 2-pack, so I got 2 of them. So there's 4 like servings, and you just cut them down the middle. They're just like a hard salami stick, and my husband likes these. And since I've had to pack his lunch a couple times this week, I'm gonna get these for next week. I also got the Genoa salami and provolone cheese little snack pack to throw in my husband's lunch next week because he's gonna be working pretty far from home next week for a couple days. One of my favorite things from Trader Joe's, if I ever get around to doing a top 10 Trader Joe's favorite items, which I really would love to do this fall, it's on my list. It all depends if my son is back in school or not for that to happen. But anyways, this would definitely make the top 10. It is the fresh Haricot Vert green beans. They are the super skinny green beans, obviously frozen, but they taste just so good. I don't know what it is about these, but they're delicious, super cheap, and this is a 24-ounce bag. I'm pretty sure it's like $1.79 or $1.89 for this bag. Super good. If you've never tried these, I highly recommend them if you like green beans, of course. I got some Trader Joe's coffee creamer in hazelnut for my husband. His is starting to get low. Another new item to me, at least, the grilled jerk chicken thigh skewers with mango chutney. I'm a big fan of chicken thighs. I'm actually not a huge chicken person, but I do like the dark meat. Like, I like the wings and the thighs. But anyways, I thought these would be really good with like some grilled veggies. It says you can grill them on the barbecue grill. It's actually the preferred method, so we'll go ahead and we might even do those tonight. Who knows? Grady wanted chocolate milk, so we got the chocolate whole milk made with fair trade cocoa. I've never tried, or he's never tried, the Trader Joe's chocolate milk, but he does like the Fairlife one. And so I think this will probably be good for him as well. I got some ground turkey. I did check my meat stock before I left, and I have plenty of chicken breast. I've got chicken thighs. I've got hamburgers. I've got hot dogs. I've got pork chops, sausage. So I really just needed some ground turkey. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this yet, but I have a few different ideas. I don't know if I said blueberries, but my son wanted blueberries, and I really like blueberries as well. So I got a pint of those, a bag of the jalapeno peppers. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with these yet, but something probably Mexican. Some strawberries, super cheap still. I just noticed I got the organic. I normally don't get the organic, but that's okay. But I remember the price for both was pretty reasonable. For strawberries, I also got this rainbow peppercorn grinder thing. I have a regular peppercorn grinder. It's not the rainbow one, but it just doesn't really work very well. So I got this. It was pretty reasonable. It was like $2 something for this. I also got some of the bay leaves, which I really like their bay leaves a lot. I use these in a lot of things. And with fall coming, I hope to make a lot of like soups and stews and things like that in the crock pot if I'm back in the office. And if not, it'll be great to throw in the crock pot while I'm working at home. I got my husband some granola bars. He loves the Trader Joe's granola bars. So I got the chocolate chip chewy coated as well as the peanut butter chewy coated and drizzled. He just really loves those. I got this Trader Joe's organic jasmine rice. There are, I think, yes, there are 3 10-ounce pouches in here. I've gotten this before. It's really good, and it's nice that there's 3 separate like portions for Matt and I to use for 3 different meals. This might even be nice with these. Maybe we'll do that tonight. I have to write out my meal plan quickly after I film this. I also got these plantain chips. They had a couple different, they had like a jerk seasoning one, I think a spicy, and this one. But we are going camping next week, so I'm trying to get a few little snacks. So this is something I'm going to put in the camping pile and bring to snack on, just something different. I also got the rainbow cauliflower. I really like this. I've gotten it a few times. It's really nice when you roast it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, some garlic, maybe some red pepper flakes, some Parmesan cheese. Really tasty, really easy. I also got these mesquite smoked seasoned almonds. I got the big bag, and then I just portioned them out into smaller containers for my husband to take for work, or if I want to just snack on some, I'll just put them in like a little dish. They're really tasty. Also, another favorite is the gnocchi with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. Again, this is a complete meal. You could just have it as a meal with like a little salad, but you'd want to split it with somebody because 16 ounces is a lot of gnocchi. So this is something like I would make maybe for lunch or dinner, and then we'd have a salad on the side. Very tasty. I got some olive tapenade with Kalamata olives. I think there's a few different kinds of olives in here, but I haven't had this in a while, and my sister was talking about olive tapenade, not this one, but just in general, and I remembered when I saw this that she had mentioned she'd been eating a lot of it, so I wanted to give that a try. I've never tried the Trader Joe's one. I got the shredded potato hash browns. I make like hash brown casserole. I make like breakfast skillets. And these are a really easy kind of shortcut rather than shredding all the potatoes yourself. Just to dump these in a skillet, add some eggs, add some veggies, cheese, meat, whatever you have on hand, whatever you like. So I got that. And then I always usually get a Trader Joe's vegetable fried rice. I normally get the spicy beef and broccoli and the orange chicken. They did not have any orange chicken, and the spicy beef and broccoli lately, the past few times I've had it, have been like, they changed something about it, or maybe I just got like a bad batch, but it was literally so spicy that it did not even taste good. So I don't know if they changed it and upped the spice, or maybe, again, like I said, it was a bad batch. So I didn't want to risk that, but I did get the veggie fried rice. Bummer about the orange chicken being out of stock. I know that's always like one of their best sellers in the entire store, so I wasn't able to get it. The guy said they were going to restock it this weekend, but I'm not going to go down to Albany this weekend just for that. And then I got a birthday card for my brother because his birthday is next week and we're going to celebrate it when we go camping. And I also got another birthday card for my girlfriend whose birthday is in just a couple weeks. I have to mail this out to her because she does not live near me. So just got those. I love their cards. They're 99 cents, I believe, and they're beautiful cards. I highly recommend their greeting cards for sure. But this is everything. I got one last thing quickly that was hiding under the gnocchi and the cauliflower. Another favorite is the honey walnut shrimp. It's like a crispy battered shrimp with like a candied walnut sauce. And this is something I would do over a packet of this and then these haricot green beans. It's like a meal that I've done before. Super easy. Highly recommend this if you like shrimp and if you like honey and of course walnuts. All right, meal plan for next week, which usually I start on Sunday, but who knows? I've told you guys a bunch of times I don't always follow my meal plan. Some of the things on here I might end up making this week and then switch the things I was gonna make this week with next week. It's just so that I have like a visual, you know, plan in my mind of things that I can make that I have. Hope that helps. But anyways, one night, and again, this could be tonight, we're gonna do those chicken skewers with that mango chutney on the grill. I'll do some of those green beans and jasmine rice. That really sounds good right now, so it could possibly happen tonight. If not, I might do it like this weekend. One night next week, for sure, we'll do the honey walnut shrimp, also the green beans and the jasmine rice again. I'm gonna do chef salads next week because I've got the hard-boiled eggs now. I've got lettuce to use up. I've got tons of different veggies to use up. And then when I get some lunch meat this weekend, I buy my lunch meat on the weekends, usually Sunday, so it's fresh for the next week for lunches. I'll cut up like some ham and some turkey and add a bunch of stuff and make like a huge dinner salad type of thing. This, I'm 99.9% sure would freeze really well. I'm definitely gonna try some, but I might freeze like half and then pull it out for a little side with the chef salads, not really sure. The turkey meat I got, I might do turkey meatballs with some kind of sauce. I'm not really sure, that's why I have a question mark. Also possibly turkey burgers, but I know I want to have some kind of ground turkey based meal next week. I've got chicken wings and chicken thighs in my basement freezer, so I will thaw one of those two things out the night before and marinate them if needed. I'll make some veggie skewers, and then I've got sweet potatoes to use up, so I'll do like mashed sweet potatoes or baked sweet potatoes or something like that. Next week on Thursday, we might go to Food Truck Thursday. Again, I just put question marks to remind myself that it's a possibility. They do the food truck event, which I shared, I think, last dinner video or the dinner video before that. They do it every Thursday, I believe, in July and August. And we might do that because next Thursday is the night before we're leaving for camping. So it would make my life easy just to have that and then be able to spend that evening like finishing packing because we have to take quite a bit for camping. And then of course I have my freebie night, which who knows what that's going to be. And also next week, again, Friday we're leaving for camping. So we'll be camping. So this should just say camping technically. I do plan to film what we eat when we go camping. What we eat when we go camping video. I did some of that, some clips from that last year camping, and you guys seem to like it. So my plan is to vlog a little bit, like, you know, show you where we're staying and our setup, kind of like I did last year, and show our meals and just some clips from camping. I just think it's fun for me too to look back on. Anyways, have a great day. I'm going to start editing this video right now and hope to get it up as soon as possible. Have a great weekend too, guys, and I will see you in my next video.